So a couple invests $8,000 in an account paying 3.25% interest compounded monthly. Assuming they don't make any deductions from the account and ignoring tax, how much will they have in the account in 6 years? And we have a little formula here. Amount is equal to the principal times 1 plus r over n to the power of nt. Okay, so let's look at these numbers that are in this question and any other information that's in the question. A couple invests $8,000. In other words, that's what they start off putting into the account. So that's called the principal. That's what you begin with. The principal is equal to $8,000. An account paying 3.25% interest. Okay, that's the interest rate. So R is equal to 3.25% interest, but before we're going to use it in the problem, we're going to change that into a decimal. So to change a percentage into a decimal, you divide by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So that's going to become 0.0325. Okay? Now, N stands for the number of times that the the account is compounded in a year. Okay, and this is compounded monthly, so that will be 12 times in a year. So N means how many times the bank is going to work on this each year. And this is, if it's compounded monthly, that means 12 times in the year. So N will be equal to 12. And then the last part of this is how much money will they have in the account in 6 years. Okay, so T is going to be measured in time, and it's going to be 6. Okay, so T is the number of years, length of time in years. N is the number of times it's compounded each year. R is the interest rate. P is the principal. Okay, so let's fill in the formula that we have above now. So A, the amount, is equal to P, which is 8,000 on 1 plus, remember R has got to be entered as a decimal, 0.0325. N is 12 times 12 to the power of 6. Now I find it's better, we're going to use the calculator to do this, but I find it's better just to multiply these two things first. Sometimes people get into trouble entering that information in the calculator if they don't multiply those two bits outside first. So this is what we're going to do, 12 times 6, and that is 72. So let's do that first, and when you have that done, now we can go to the calculator. Okay, and we're going to enter it just as it is there. So it's going to be 8,000 times 1 plus 0.0325 divided by 12. Close the parentheses and raise that to the power of 72. And press enter. And you get, oh, we've lost it. I think it was 9,700 and something, 9,719.925, 9719.925, 925. Now, since we're dealing with money, you're going to sometimes be asked to round this off to the nearest cent. Okay, so the nearest cent would mean you go 2 places after the decimal point. So here, so go back 2 places after the decimal point. Look at this one, 5 bumps it up. So this becomes A is equal to 9,719.93. So after 6 years, the couple will have $9,719.93 in their account. Thank you for watching.